Okay, my name is Councillor Keith Girling. I'm the Armed Forces Champion for Nottinghamshire County Council, and we're outside the council offices in Nottingham. Yeah, well, today is really as part of the Armed Forces Week. We've got Reservists Day, and the idea of Reservists Day is to show people that there's a benefit by joining the reservists because you get additional training, you take part in what the forces throughout the world are doing, and then also transferring those skills into when you go back to work, which makes you a massive benefit and asset to whoever's employing you. The County Council employ a number of reservists, and we're very proud to do that actually, because it shows that our commitment to the armed forces. There's a great benefit to the reservists because they go and get trained in whatever field that they're in, and then the council benefit because they're getting that training at the cost of the armed forces and coming back and transferring them skills back for us. So as far as the council is concerned, it's a win-win situation.
Well, provisionally, we've got a lot of branding, obviously, as you can see, about the reserves, contact details initially, just to try and draw people in. We've got some very interactive, particularly good interactive kit in the corner that people can engage with. The idea is to enthuse them to come towards us so we can approach them, have a conversation, two-way conversation, about potentially looking at the aspects of what roles are available for people in the Royal Naval Reserve. Well, at Sherwood we've got a variety of range of people with very different careers. We've currently got students doing GCSEs, people at university doing their degrees based in Nottingham but live at other parts of the country particularly, right up to people who are qualified doctors, right up to gas turbine engineers, for example. There are a variety of roles. The Maritime Reserve can enhance their civilian qualifications by coming into the reserves, learning additional skills and taking them back to their employer. Well, basically, like any military organisation, we're very adept at taking people's qualities and bringing them to the forefront. So, for example, we bring people in, we're going to train them in basic first aid, basic firefighting, damage control, that kind of thing, right up to the more particular qualifications dealing with leadership and management expertise, which again is a very good asset to take back to their employer.
Hi, my name's Sergeant Gordon Harney. I'm with C Company 4 Mercian. We're based at Bulwell and Mansfield. Today's Reserves Day. We're here to support Reserves Day and to let the public know that the reserves are still out there and the Army's still out there and recruiting. Prior to being in the reserves, I did my full time in the regular army. I picked up a lot of skills, and on completion of my full-time service I decided I'd use those skills with the reserves. I did quite a lot of time as a full-time recruiter within the regular army, and those skills were easily usable as a reserve recruiter. The army, whether it's the regular or the reserves, is very team driven. To that end, you will learn how to command or be part of a team. You will learn a lot of leadership skills, and these can be used in many jobs on civilian street. Not only that, many of these skills can be accredited to qualifications, again, which can help you on civilian street or in a civilian workplace.